Welcome to Rose Creek. This beautiful home behind me is 6-bedroom, 4.5 bath, almost 5,500 square feet of open spaces, beautiful arches, and I really think you're gonna love this one. It's located in the Rose Creek neighborhood on the western side of Edmond. Rose Creek is a country club golf course, and before we get into the house, I actually want to show you the drive-in. My name is Kinsley Hauser, and I'm a local realtor here in the Edmond, Oklahoma area and all the surrounding cities. If you're thinking about moving in 10 days or 10 months, I'd love to be able to connect with you and help you on your move. I've helped people move from as far west as California, as far east as Massachusetts, and as far north as Alaska, and I'd love to be able to help you too. Please feel free to reach out to me. All the details for how to do that will be in the description box below. One thing I love about this house is it is located on the golf course. So literally from your front porch through those doors, you can see the Rose Creek golf course. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this 6-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom masterpiece. So I actually wanted us to start out here in the exterior. You can see we have a 3-car garage, and the way that this home is located, it's kind of on this cul-de-sac here, kind of like a half cul-de-sac, but you can see some pretty white painted brick, and then as you come up, very grand feel to it. These steps leading up, beautiful landscaping. And then you do have kind of like a little seating area here on the left and the right. You can see the windows. There's so much natural light into this house. These doors, arch doors, are absolutely beautiful. So when you walk in the front door, you walk straight into the living room. And so you can see that big arched window. I love how from the very front, you can see all the way through the house to the backyard. Back through there is the master suite, but I'm actually gonna save that for last, so make sure you stick till the end. But I love these built-in bookshelves, these built-in cabinets, and then this fireplace is really nice right here. Again, this window looking the backyard, and then right on the other side of that gate is the golf course. And you can see looking this way into the kitchen. Upstairs is gonna be the extra bedrooms, everything but the master, but we'll go up there later, but I've gotta show you this kitchen. I love this island and how it's got the different wood, whereas the surrounding cabinets are painted. This has more of that white oak finish to it. And I don't know if you can tell from the video, but this island is huge. Before we go kind of finish looking at the rest of the kitchen, I want to show you this pantry. I love these doors, giving it kind of a rustic look to it. And then through here, lots of space in this pantry. So you've got this bar. I'm a big fan of this backsplash. Cabinets all the way to the ceiling for tons of storage. Oversized refrigerator, freezer here. You've got your oven, extra oven here, and then microwave kind of tucked away. But then you have this oven stove range that is absolutely beautiful with a pot filler, of course, at the top. And then turning this way, you can see a little spot for the trash can to be tucked away, and then this nice farmhouse sink looking straight into the living room, so you really feel like you're just a part of everything that's going on right here in the kitchen. And I, again, love just the windows and all the natural light, the sliding doors. Here would be your dining room and a very large space. I don't know if you can tell fully from the camera, but a very large space. You could fit definitely a huge table in here. And we will go outside. I'll show you that after we take a look back on this side. But I don't know if you noticed, but these entryways into this hallway have a very unique shape to them. I think just little things like that make this home seem very elevated. This home has very tall ceilings. You've got an exterior door here coming into this hallway. Kind of creates a little drop zone, but you've got a half bath here with kind of that similar fluted look right there with the sink and then the backsplash going all the way up. I just love how nice that looks, very seamless. And then just kind of turn it around, a very good size half bath in here. So we come out of here, and like I said, it kind of makes a little drop zone. So you've got laundry with a sink in the middle, which is always a great touch. You've got cabinets, In this corner, you've got a huge window, so much natural light. You've got a built-in desk with cabinets over there. And then you've got this whole wall of kind of a locker type storage. So it's great when you're coming in. These are also great for storing because these are adjustable. You could easily take them out and store vacuums or brooms, things like that in there. I'll kind of show you this side because you do come from the kitchen on this side too. So if you were to walk in here, kind of that view from it, and then that is from your garage, so you can easily walk in from the garage and have your drop zone. Here's another view of the kitchen coming through. I'll show you from this corner. This room, again, I don't know how well you can tell from the camera, but it is a very large, expansive, very open room, very tall ceilings, especially considering that there is a second story to this house. So now we'll go look at this backyard. So you've got a very pretty covered patio here. You are pretty close to the neighbors, but there's some trees for privacy. And then you can see your yard here. Really a good sized yard in the back, and you have a good side yard as well. Those doors go into the master. I think a fun little pool out here would be beautiful, and I really feel like they had that in mind when they put that side door with that half bath, because if you did end up having a pool back here, you could use that half bath and not have to go through the rest of the house. But even the back of this house, I mean, that looks like the front of the house. It's just so beautiful. And then, like I mentioned, right past that gate, I mean, you can kind of see right back there, that is the golf course. Country club, all over there. And then these windows are just absolutely, or these doors with the windows are just absolutely beautiful. When we come back through here, we're actually gonna go upstairs, and then, like I said, we'll finish with the master at the end. So we come back through this living room. They also thought ahead and put some outlets in the floor, which is great if you have reclining sofas or anything like that. So you've got a pretty shiplap all the way up to the ceiling. So there was a birthday party. And then these pretty windows. You've got the floor that's really nice, but then carpet on the stairs. So when you get to the top, very unique bedroom situation. You've got some little bonus rooms here, bedrooms that way, but we're gonna start over here. You have 2 Jack and Jill setups. So this is one of your first bedrooms. You come in, you've got a little extra closet here just to store stuff in. But then your bedroom, and then you kind of have this little built-in bedroom within your bedroom. So you've got the built-ins on the side and the windows, which is super nice. Into your Jack and Jill. I love how they put those hanging mirrors, because they were able to keep a window, which is super nice, but then putting the hanging mirrors was just a really cool touch to that. And then a separate room. If you see the grout in here is actually a pink grout, so very feminine, super cute. And then you basically have the exact same bedroom on this side. The bedroom within the bedroom. I'll show you kind of from this angle. Here we are. I would have loved having this room when I was in high school. Back here, you have another bedroom with an ensuite bath. This would be great for guests. Good sized bedroom, straight into this ensuite bath, like I said, with a vertical tile in here. Makes it very elevated look to it. And then nice big mirror. And now we're gonna go back through that bonus space, because I really love how they added these bonus rooms in here. You can kind of get a better look at that shiplap in the windows. Very pretty. Okay, so here we have bonus room 1. This would be more like your standard bonus room. Very open, could easily put some fun things in here. But then you have this room here, which to me looks very like homeschool room, because you've got the built-in cabinets. It could be a fun craft room. Very bright and fun. And then back here, you have bedroom with a little secret nook down there. That would be really fun for a little playroom. And then your closet here. Good size walk-in closet. Kind of show you a different view. And then you have another Jack and Jill. This Jack and Jill has 2 separate vanities. So you've got 1 sink, a good walk-in shower here. Very good size. And then on the other side, you have your other sink, toilet room, and then another bedroom, which it kind of looks like they turned it into a theater room. So black shiplap on the ceilings is really fun. So a good sized room in here. And you can kind of see maybe a better view. I'll try to peek through here and show you the golf course right behind you. So we come through here, back through the bonus rooms. Again, you have this one, really good size, and then those other bedrooms. And now we're gonna go back downstairs, and I wanna finish off by showing you the master suite. Okay, so when we get back down, we're going through this pretty entry into this hallway with your master tucked behind. So you have a very good sized master with those doors, like I mentioned, going outside, so you have your own patio. And then in here to the bath and closet. Very good sized bathroom. You've got your toilet room, you've got a nice soaking tub right here, and then a really nice size walk-in shower. Double vanities with tons of storage on the sides. I love just the way they put windows in here because it helps bring in so much natural light. And then into this walk-in closet that just keeps going. So you walk in, you have all this storage, good place for shoes. You've got a nice built-in dresser here. But then you walk around this corner and you have another dresser and even more storage. So I love just the amount of rods and all the built-in dressers. Really leaves a lot of space in your bedroom. And I feel like when they're vacant, they often look smaller than they typically are actually when they have furniture in them. And so this room, you can tell, is gonna be a really good size and have lots of room for a bed, maybe even a couch. So you come back through here and you can kind of see the living room and the living area from one more view. I just love that arch window in the back. Well, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. This house is listed just over 1.5 million. And if you are interested in this house or maybe one similar, or if you are just thinking about moving to Edmond, please again, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love just to be able to help you on your move and represent you on your purchase. So thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and I will catch you in my next one.